With 60 square kilometers, Lake Iseo is the fourth largest lake in Lombardy and the seventh in Italy. It belongs to the group of the deep subalpine lakes, which are located in one of the most densely populated and productive areas of Italy, and it represents an important resource for agriculture, industry and fishery, as well as recreation and tourism. Less famous than its brothers Garda and Como, Iseo is particularly interesting for its morphology. The island located in the middle of the lake, Isola, is the largest lake island in Europe, and it plays a key role in determining the basin scale wave structure. Lake Iseo currents are said to be so unpredictable that even the old fishermen have to admit that when the nets get carried away during the night, it is impossible to forecast in which shore they will be found. Another reason of scientific interest towards the lake is that the glaciers that feed Olio River, Iseo's main inflow, have been decreasing in volume in the last decades, in a way that might affect the lake ecosystem. In July 2010, CWR, together with the University of Brescia, have undertaken a field experiment to study the lake hydrodynamics. The objective of the field experiment was threefold. First, to assess the lake's state of health. Deep lakes in the world are undergoing a fundamental change as climate change warms the inflowing waters and land use changes increase nutrient loading, causing oxygen depletion in the deep waters and threatening the biodiversity of the lake. Second, to yield more information about how deep lakes function, since our understanding about it is still in its infancy. Thirdly, to understand the mechanism and strength of the mass flux supported by the benthic boundary layer of a stratified lake, a central problem that is still unsolved. It is this flux that determines the coupling between benthic and pelagic ecosystems. In this sense, the flux in the BBL controls the primary productivity in a lake. The experiment good results have been achieved by coordinating together students, technicians and professors with diverse skills and backgrounds from the University of Western Australia, the University of Brescia and the University of Cambridge. The 15 team members came from different nationalities, including Argentinian, Australian, Brazilian, British, Chinese, Indonesian and Italian.